Hello everyone! So for today's video, it's another Harley Quinn video. It's just gonna be an update. I wanted to show you what I had before. If you haven't seen this video yet, I will leave it over here and also put it over here. So I first got this costume like around last year when the first trailer of the movie just came out, so you can't really tell what was written on the back. So I first got the Live Fast Die Young one, and this one was a size medium. I did contact them and they were kind enough to send me one, the new version, which is the correct one. Comes in this plastic bag. This is how usually their costumes come in. And it has a picture. This is what the costume looks like, but I requested for a large because, as you can see from the last video that I was struggling to put it on, it did fit me. I will insert a clip of my TikToks.
Like a goat when I sit on demand, when I lift both doors and I hit on the gas and zoom, zoom, get out the fast lane, boom, boom. That's what my ass say, pow, pow.
If you haven't followed me there yet, please follow me. So this is what it looks like. Live Fast Die Clown. They've updated it and this one fits me so much better. I'm so happy. I really love the quality of this. Look at the zippers. You can easily open and close it, which I love, and it fits so much more comfy. And it's very high quality, nice quality. And I'm just being honest, I really love their costumes. I'm gonna take it off just because it's so hot right now. I had to turn off the air conditioner because I don't want any background noise. But yeah, I am in love with this costume, you guys. If you guys are planning to get this costume, I do recommend that you get it, but just read the sizing chart because that was a mistake. That was my mistake. I know it had a little fishy smell to it when I first got it, but this one was the first one that I got and it's all gone. You can't smell a thing on it anymore. Yep, you can't smell anything bad. So if you guys are also worried about that, there you go. The fishy smell will be gone. If you just hang it somewhere and just let the wind flow, you know, it'll be gone in a few days. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing with this one, so I could wear it for the movie screening premiere. I am just so excited for this movie. Are you guys excited too? This is probably one of my most favorite costumes or attires of Harley Quinn because it's like super cool, and you know, she's usually in a skimpy outfit, but this one is like more bad looking. This is just gonna be a quick video showing you this, that they did updated their costume. Here's the answer for everyone that's been asking me, and thank you so much for liking and commenting and subscribing. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!